So the Nelsons are back with you, making dinner tonight on the Blackstone. We are having fish tacos.
Fish tacos.
Fish tacos. And we are using cod, skinless cod. So I can show you that. This is the only thing that's going to be going on the actual Blackstone tonight. Everything else is all of our fixins. So we have, Avery's out here with us tonight. She's hanging out. We have our cod. We have our lime. We have cilantro, green onion to go in the slaw, which is going to be coleslaw, mushrooms, green onion, cilantro. We have mango salsa and pico de gallo. And we also have cheese. And then this is my favorite sauce right now. It is taco ranch. Taco ranch on the top. So we are using the street taco shells because we like street tacos, but you could use hard shell, you could use burrito shell, fajita shell, whatever you want. But we like the street taco, right, Nelson?
Yeah, absolutely. And tonight we're using for the first time our little
fish,
Blackstone
our little tacos.
taco holder.
Yeah, so we're excited to bust those out.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
let's get cooking.
Alright guys, so we're going to start out with a little coconut oil. Now, we haven't really found out if we're supposed to use coconut oil on the griddle because it's somewhat flammable. Little funny story, what were we making in the oven? Salmon. And we used spray coconut oil.
On aluminum.
On aluminum foil.
On salmon.
And it started on fire.
Like fire.
Like a real fire.
Like big flames.
Like, you know, I've never really been that scared that we're gonna have to call the fire department, but that was kind of one of those times.
I did set the bacon jalapenos on fire one time too.
Yes, you did do that. So
we've had 2 fires in our oven.
So we're really not quite sure if we should be using coconut oil.
Sounded like the best for fish.
And
use it again for our
right. It's much better than obviously vegetable oil or
we like
canola.
We like avocado. We like
olive oil. Right.
But we're gonna give coconut oil a shot on our fish. So what kind of fish do we have again?
We have cod, correct?
We do have cod.
And you marinated this.
Yes, so it's marinated with some fish taco seasoning.
Yep.
With some oil.
And how long did you marinate it for?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Now it's probably been about.
What kind of oil did you use on this stuff?
I used avocado oil.
Avocado oil?
You could use olive oil or vegetable oil or canola oil, but 1 tablespoon of oil and a packet of seasoning.
So we're going to turn this baby down because it's hot. And actually, this is going to be really short cook on the Blackstone because this fish.
It's hot, so it doesn't take long.
It's going to cook up
It already smells good.
really quick.
Holy smokes, you just put that on there. I can already smell it from the flavor that's coming out. Wish you could smell that.
I don't think there's anything that we made so far
That we haven't liked or
that I'm like
the smell.
disappointed in.
No, everything is good. We probably will not be having leftovers just for tacos because we love our tacos. But
Yeah,
our last
the Blackstone holder that we have only fits 6 tacos.
So that is probably enough to make. Maybe 12. Although I have to get another one. We can make 12 tacos at once. But you can use any fish with this. You could use any white fish, I should say, or shrimp. So tilapia would be good, halibut would be good.
Now, admittedly,
Cod's good.
we almost had what? What
Fish
kind of fish sticks? What kind of fish sticks? Gordon's fish sticks. Because Sarah forgot the fish at
I
home.
put the fish in the freezer because we weren't making it until tonight. And I forgot the fish. And I forgot
Fish is at home.
Don't worry, I got another kilo.
She made a quarantine run today, and luckily they had some fish that we could buy. So we don't have to have fish sticks today. We're just gonna have
actual good delicious cod. But fish sticks wouldn't be bad. Or if you had like anything you have around. If you have like Van de Kamp fillets in your freezer.
Well, the nice thing is that like if you like a little bit crispy on your fish tacos, this has got the air fryer, so you just throw it in.
Correct. We've had tacos with leftover fish fries. Avery says yes, it's amazing. Avery, are you ready for some fish tacos? Yeah. Okay. Avery has never been in Blackstone. How's that fish cooking up?
I think it's good. We're doing good. Couple minutes.
Now talk a little bit about this taco thing. The taco holder from Blackstone.
Well, it's a little taco holder.
Like, does it go on the griddle? Like,
well, it can. I think it can. Yeah, sure. You could like put it like right there.
Like if you're
put
trying
the
to melt
shells
some
right in
cheese
there,
and
and just yeah.
What do you have on so that we can grill up our street tacos a little bit?
Right now you can probably just put them right here in the middle. You might have to put a little bit of oil down before you do that.
Spread me around, Nelson. You're a good spreader.
I do my best.
We can make 6.
Well, that's what it'll hold. Don't put it in. So that's like done. So we're just gonna turn it off.
Okay. We're just gonna grill up our shells and then we're going to assemble.
I don't know if these little shells are gonna fit in the little taco maker.
You mean we get the bigger shells? I've got all sizes.
Well, no, these are fine. I just don't know if they're gonna fit there. Those are good. Those are good.
Well, we could just do like we were gonna do and make our contraction and build as we go.
I mean, you can. It's just I think it's made for like bigger tacos, though. That's hot. Wow. It's amazing how hot it gets on this side, and it wasn't even on. Alright. By the way, you might see some duct tape. That's because we bought these from Blackstone, and they're foldable spatulas. And I keep talking about this in our videos because they don't really hold together. Bought them from Walmart. I do not suggest them. So we got the originals. Yeah, they did tell us. They're like, so we have to make a video with using them to show them that they come loose.
So you'll see a future video.
So, yeah, we don't know if it's us, but it's like we don't really know any other way to work them. Like they just come loose. Like as you're cooking, you can hear it flopping, right? Even with the tape on it, they've come loose. It's weird. All right. We're gonna do up some fish.
Get a bowl and get some fish, or does they sit?
Yep. We got some fish right in these guys. And I'm sharing my displeasure for these because one thing I love about YouTube is that it's real people using this stuff, not the companies selling it. So, I'm just telling you guys, I'd save your $30 at Walmart and buy something different. That's all. The rest of Blackstone stuff has been fabulous. Just not these guys.
Concept is good.
Well, right, that's why, we bought them.
All right, so in our slaw again, we've got some onions, we've got cilantro, we've got green onion.
Can you give us a close-up of that?
There's some coleslaw. This is the base of it. Green onion, cilantro, olives, and then lemon, or lime, lots of lime. Lime squeezed, fresh lime juice. So we got that on there. So we're gonna start with that as our slaw. And we got these little handy dandy holders, so it's okay if it's a little sloppy. Should have went with the bigger shell just so that we could put more stuff in it.
The shadows of the shot.
We're gonna fill all this with the slaw. Then we're gonna put some taco cheese down. Taco cheese, Mexican cheese, whatever kind of cheese you like. Put some cheese down. These already look fantastic. Squish them down so I can put the mango salsa on top.
These are more like bite-sized fish tacos.
I know, but we have bigger ones. You like your street tacos, though.
I know, I'm just saying. They're just like bite-sized fish.
Maybe our next round we'll do some bigger shells. Now we've got our mango salsa.
How long did it take you to make that mango salsa today, Sarah?
Slaved for it all day. Or AKA Festival Grocery Store. And then we're just gonna put a little bit of our sauce on top. Avery's throwing cans. Don't mind the tin not dropping.
Avery?
Oh, she's shaking the camera stand. Alright. Get a shot of these beauts. And we're ready. I think your shadow and my shadow are blacking them, but... Oh, what do you want to tell our fans?
Yeah, no, what do you want to tell our fans?
Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to never miss another video.